Ito na nga ang nangyari.
Guys. What's up guys?
Yung maleta niya nasira.
Si Kapitan? Nasira ba?
Sira.
Sino nakasira?
Doon yun sa nasabi niya sa airport pa lang daw nasira na.
Madami ka na makakang pambili. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, ang balita ngayon dito sa barko namin ay nabenta na to. At ngayon, trabaho pa rin kami kasi kailangan namin medyo pagandahin yung barko bago namin i-turn over. So tara guys, papunta kami ng Africa. Dun sa Africa yung loading port namin. Tapos discharging namin UK. Sa UK uwi na kami lahat. So by August makauwi na rin kami. Kaya nga pala yung nakakatok na Tiger. Ito mga riding gang. Hey! What's up man? How are you? I'm Janet. Jason! Seryoso ka dyan ah. Seryoso ka. Ayan si Jason. Page store namin to. So ngayon, nagpupulgot kami ng pula. Pinupulgatan namin ng red dyan. Yan lang ang trabaho namin. Kasi ngayon half day ako. Sa gabi, duty ako ng 12:04. So nagugwardiya pa ako ng 12:04. Tapos bababa ko na alang una hanggang alas 5 magtatrabaho. Ngayon si boss no. Hi boss. Ano pakaramdam na uuwi na tayo?
Ito, uuwi na tayo pero full coat pa rin.
Yan, pupulod kami. Pero puro pula na lang kasi dumating ngayon na pintura. Kaya more on red kami ngayon.
Banat hanggang wakas.
No.
find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.